What's up, fam? It's your boy Trucking on the Budget, back with another video for you guys. Sadly enough, I had to stay here in North Dakota, Castleton, North Dakota last night because I never heard back from my factoring company like I thought I would. I did just reach out to them, and they advised that they were working on it and I should have it in the next few moments. But yeah, I just wanted to basically let you guys know that I'm still here, but I'm trying to get the hell up out of here, man. It rained like cats and dogs last night, and I'm just hoping that the weather's going to be pretty good today. The wind had subsided last night, and I'm just hoping also that I won't run into so much wind en route to Washington today. But yeah, so I'll be back with you guys once I hear something. So what the hell are these two damn trailers? What the hell is these trucks hauling? I ain't never seen nothing like it where I'm from. Look like two big ass engines of sorts, but it look like it's attached to the trailer. So yeah, anybody that knows what this is, comment down below and tell me what the hell type of machinery this is and what it does, or whatever the case may be. That's pretty crazy. Like, so I can't really tell, but I think that has to be all attached in the rear, because it's like two. Yeah, but yeah, so I'm sitting there like trying to figure out what the hell that what it's for. In fact, they got two of them potentially traveling in the same direction. And like I said, I'm in North Dakota, so if anybody knows what these damn machines are up here in North Dakota, and look like the daggone tag on there, it says Oklahoma or something like that. So I think it says, yeah, Oklahoma. So if anybody's from Oklahoma, tell me what those machines are. Comment down below. I appreciate it. So I had to reach back out to my factoring company a second time this morning, and it appears that they're still working on it. He told me to give him another 20-30 minutes. Like, I have no time to freaking waste. I'm trying to get this load delivered on time, tomorrow. So I got enough fuel, a half tank as a matter of fact, to get me at least to the next fuel station or whatever the case may be, or at least far enough up the road. But I'm only on like a half of depth. Hopefully I'll have enough depth to get me to where I gotta go, and it won't give me any issues until I get there. But I'm just trying to move closer to my location, because sitting here all freaking day is not going to help my cause as far as getting up out of here. And plus, them damn clouds ain't looking too friendly, so I need to be out of Dodge. So watch the show Sons of Anarchy, man, that show was my shit, man. And I see those dudes on them bikes roll past, man. I sat there, all I could think about was those dudes in that show, man. It made me want to be a biker for a short second. But yeah, that's a crazy lifestyle, man. And I was just sitting there thinking too, I wonder if those dudes are dope. They had like, pistolas on them or something like that. But yeah, that was kind of cool to see them roll by. The fact they roll by without helmets on and shit, and it's raining, like, yeah, y'all crazy as fuck. My fuel advance finally came through, so I'm about to fill up real quick and get the hell up out of Dodge. So hang on for a second. So I got ready to take off from fueling up rather, and then my truck wants to start regenning. I'm sitting there like, are you serious? Like, I'm trying to get on the road. I've been waiting as long as I have already, you know, waiting for my factory company to, you know, send over the money. They didn't do it last night, so I had to wait until today. And now that I finally got it, I'm trying to get on the road, and then the truck want to start regenning. I'm like, are you serious? Like, come on now. This is craziness. I'm ready to go. I gotta get across town, you know? So, what happened to your truck?
So I was just driving down the 94 East, and you know, like, it was rainy, it was super windy out, and out of nowhere the wind just blew me into the center medium, and then I just freaking crashed into the center, yeah. And this is what happened.
God, dog, man. Like, so did it flip over at all, or?
No, I just slid. It's like I just got flipped off the road, kind of almost.
And that rear damage is from the trailer?
Yeah, it's from the trailer.
Jesus.
Right?
You didn't get injured at all, did you?
Not at all. The only thing that got injured was
yeah. Wow, man. Well, I'll pray for you guys. So they got somebody coming for you?
Yeah, I mean, that's what they're trying to figure out. It's been sitting here for almost 24 hours now.
Damn, for real?
Yeah.
Shit.
Yeah, just been sitting like a sitting duck, man.
Let me find out they don't care about you like that. Like, come on, man. Come on, Swift. Y'all gotta do better than that.
Shit happens, I suppose.
Yeah, it happens, man. It happens.
You know, I'm just chilling.
Well, I'm glad you safe, boss.
Yeah. Try my best, man.
Damn, you got like all up in there. Wow.
So you're like an owner operator kind of?
Yeah, I'm an owner operator. Yeah, started back in what, January. So I'm working on getting my semis and stuff, but right now this is what I got. Yeah.
Chilling pretty much.
Yeah. So, like I said, I want to get a couple of drivers eventually, you know, because I want to just be able to just chill, be at home with my daughters and chill and stuff like that. I might come out on the road every now and then, but you know, it's been my dream to basically have the company running itself.
Yeah.
And then, you know, just being able to do what I want.
Hell yeah, dude.
Be able to be at home with my sweetheart, go to Hawaii, whatever the case may be, you know, with her. So, yeah, you know.
Experience all that life can give you.
Yeah, pretty much, definitely, man.
Yeah.
Well, look, man, I'm gonna be praying for you, boss, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, and I hope they come out for you soon. Matter of fact, hey, all my subscribers, look, I need y'all to reach out to Swift and tell them come get my dude. What's your name, boss?
Jimmy.
Jimmy?
Yeah.
You got a Instagram or anything like that?
Yeah, I got an Instagram. It's like Zephyr Art.
You said Zephyr Heart?
Let me see. I don't usually go on. It's like Zephyr.art77.
All right, Zephyr.art77. Reach out to my boy, man. I want y'all to reach out to him and offer your support to my dude, man. Like, man, there's some tough times out here on these roadways, man. The daggone wind blowing us over into ditches and shit. Like, it's crazy, man. I don't appreciate it. Man, don't be doing that to my dude right here, man.
Yeah, you know, hey, but I do whatever I can to keep on pushing forward.
I know that's right. Keep on trucking. That's right. Let's keep trucking.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, man.
All right, boss, man. You be safe, boss.
All right.
All right.
Drive safe, all right?
Yes, sir. Damn. Fuck. So I finally got my fuel advanced and was able to get my fuel in my truck and my depth. Finally back out here on the road trying to get this load delivered. But one thing I freaking hate is when these freaking brokers keep calling you every goddamn day, wanting to know your ETA, wanting to know your location. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, you gotta call me every goddamn day? Like, why you can't call me when the day comes that I'm supposed to deliver the load? Man, this dude called me every day. He says, so what's your current location? I'm like, I don't fucking know. I mean, I'll be like, okay, I say I'm in Wisconsin. He says, what, you're in Milwaukee? Or I'm like, fuck boy, I'm sitting there driving along like there's no fucking neon signs posted up saying, oh, you're now in Milwaukee or you're now in Green Bay. I'm like, bitch, I'm in Wisconsin. Like, what the fuck? You know, I should just make up names and shit. Like, I'm in butt-fuck Wisconsin or Wichita foot you went up your ass Kansas. You know, I'm like, get the fuck out of here. Like, dude, leave me the fuck alone and let me deliver this goddamn load. This shit is crazy, man. Comment down below, man, if these motherfuckers annoy you or is it just me? Because I'm telling you, like, damn, like, I cannot stand motherfuckers annoying me at all for shit. Like, it's almost like they looking over your shoulder. You know, you ever been in a workplace and motherfuckers always over your goddamn shoulder, you know, trying to micromanage and shit. That's what I feel like, man. These fuckers are micromanaging me. I'm like, dick face. I got my own authority and shit, which means this is my own fucking company. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm gonna deliver your load or whatever. Just rest assured, and when I get there, I will contact your funky ass and tell you, hey, your load has been delivered. Stop fucking calling me. I'm gonna start blocking these motherfuckers. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna block their ass. I'm either gonna block them or I'm gonna start calling them and be like, hey man, hey, you know, how's your day going? How was your night? You know, what did you do last night? Did you watch the game? You know, did your wife give you some ass? Something? You know, like, what the hell? Like, you know, trying to get all in their business or whatever the case may be. I'm like, damn, chill the fuck out. Your load's gonna get delivered. Shit. Third time today that I've seen those damn trucks and the same drivers. It's crazy that we've actually met up for a third time in one day. The first time was where I woke up this morning. I saw them at the fuel station. Then I saw them again in passing on the highway. Then I pulled into this damn fuel station and there they are again. If that shit ain't crazy, I don't know what it is. I still haven't figured out what the hell it is that they transporting the trailer and shit like that. So again, if y'all know, let me know, because it's just as crazy that this is the third damn time that I ran into these damn trucks or whatever. Anyways, I gotta get some fuel and get back on the road. Well, look at that, my first time seeing buffalo in the wild. That is absolutely amazing. Like, wow. I was seeing a whole bunch of cows and just happened to drive up. I looked up, I was like, hold up, I gotta stop and take this daggone footage because nobody ain't gonna believe me. They're gonna basically say I've been seeing anything but freaking buffalo. But that's buffalo, ain't it? I'm pretty sure it is. Wow, look at that fucking buffalo. That is crazy. That is crazy. That's a nice ass picture, man. Like, you got that buffalo sitting right at the edge of the canyon. And then you got, it's called the Painted Canyon and shit. But, wow, absolutely beautiful, man. Beautiful. That's my first time ever seeing, like, buffalo in the wild. Like, you know, and I ain't never been this damn happy to see some damn animals, but, like, anything other than cows, man, it's like, and then I think when I saw them wild boar on the side of the road that one time, but, like, it's kind of cool to see that, you know. I actually never thought I would see anything other than damn cow out here. So, on to the next. For sale, like, I guess land for sale, and I'm sitting there like two things. One is, who the hell is gonna buy some land out in the goddamn canyons? Like, what the hell can you build in the canyons? And then the second thing is, like, who gives anybody the right to actually claim the land in the canyons and then, you know, sell it? Like, I just don't understand that. Like, how did somebody come along and say, you know what, I'm gonna claim this land and I'm gonna sell it to somebody else? It's crazy to me. I'm like, how does that even work? Like, somebody comment down below and tell me something, because I don't know, it just seems kind of crazy, because if you look at the canyons, like, it don't look like no place that I would want to build some shit on, like no property, no nothing like that. So, but then on top of it, like, who just comes out here and says, hey, this is my land and I'm gonna sell it? Help me out. My man, hair blowing in the wind. Get it, pop, pop. So all I want to know is, why the hell is it gonna take me 14 hours damn near to get through Montana? That's some bullshit. Why the hell is this state so goddamn big? It's nothing but open land. They couldn't fucking come up with another state, like 7 other states, to split this shit up. Shit is crazy. Like, damn. 14 hours almost just to get through Montana. And I still gotta go through Idaho, which is probably like a small little portion before I even get to Washington. Oh well. What's up, fam? So I made it to Montana, this long ass state. Well, actually I was in Montana for a minute. You know, I was on my little rant a little while back, but I'm gonna shut it down for the night here. But I just want to show you guys my scenery first of all, which is kind of wild to look at. Like, off in the distance, you might be able to see those are actually mountains with snow on the top back there. Which is like, at first when I was looking at it, I couldn't tell if it was just the clouds looking like it was forming mountains, but that's actually mountains with snow on top of that. And I'm pretty sure that's just how high those mountains are too, which is why there's snow at the top. But like, the scenery is crazy, how the terrain is the way that it is and all that good stuff. Like, all the way around, like even over here, you can see how it look like these little dunes or whatever. But yeah, man. So here in Montana, I forget the name of that little sign over there, but it ain't really much going on here. I don't really see too many other truckers. I wanted to find me a truck stop, but this was like the closest thing that I can find for miles, because I was driving a long time and without coming to a fuel station, and this was the first one that I came to. So, and I was running out of drive time. So here I am, and this is more than likely where I'm gonna shut it down. So hopefully no damn grizzly bears or nothing like that will come out at night. You look down in this daggone in this dirt to see if I see any little footprints, grizzly bear prints or whatever. But I don't know, it look like I see something over there, but hopefully ain't gonna be shit to be able to bother me. But yeah, man, so it's been a pretty windy day, you know, as you saw, well, earlier in my my video. Pretty much, you know, it's been windy from the time that I was in Wisconsin, North Dakota, and now Montana. You know, it's blowing the truck all around, blowing all everybody's trucks around, vehicles and stuff like that. So, man, y'all be careful when y'all come through this area, man. If you ever have to come out here for anything, you coming up I-90, 94 and all that, believe me when I tell you, it gets windy as shit out here. So, yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. As always, like, comment, subscribe to my channel for all the new viewers. But yeah, we'll be back with another one tomorrow. I'm about 7 hours from my destination, so we're going to wrap it up tomorrow. Be in Washington State, and then I'll be heading down to Sacramento, like, shortly after I drop. Well, no, let me back up, because when I drop this load tomorrow, I can't drop this load until 10 o'clock tomorrow night, which I hate those type of fucking drops, because I like to be able to just get to my location, drop the load, pick up another load, and be gone. You know, I hate that they give you freaking times and set times that you got to be able to drop the load by, because I could potentially drop it in the morning and be out, you know. But so I hate that part of it. And you know, from now on, I feel like, you know, if it's one of those type routes, type loads rather, I'm not gonna book that for myself, because I hate that shit. I hate basically getting there early and I gotta wait around. Like, that's just dumb as shit to me. Offload that shit, get that shit off my truck. I don't care who doesn't get in until 10 o'clock. That's not my problem. Get that shit off my truck so I can get going. You know, I did my job, pay me my money, and let me go. You know, so it's always something in this trucking business. But anyways, man, yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Y'all be safe and keep trucking.